Does UV index affect insect activity? Imagine standing outside on a bright sunny day and wondering why some insects are buzzing around while others hide away. The answer involves more than just the weather. It includes the ultraviolet light in the sky. The ultraviolet index measures how strong ultraviolet radiation from the sun is at a specific time and place. This measurement helps outdoor enthusiasts and safety-minded people understand how much UV exposure they might get. But it also plays a role in insect behavior. Ultraviolet radiation is divided into 3 types: UVA, UVB, and UVC. In natural outdoor settings, UVA and UVB are the most relevant. UVC is mostly blocked by the Earth's atmosphere and doesn't usually reach the ground. UVB and UVC can damage insects' DNA, which can be lethal or reduce their chances of survival. UVA causes less direct DNA damage but can cause oxidative stress, which harms insect cells over time. Interestingly, some insects and aquatic creatures change their position during the day to avoid high UV exposure. For example, insect larvae and tiny aquatic animals often move to shaded or deeper water during peak sunlight hours. This behavior helps them avoid UV damage and also influences their availability to fish. When UV levels are high, insects tend to stay in shaded areas or beneath the surface, making them less accessible to fish feeding near the surface. This means that during times of high ultraviolet index, fishing can become more challenging because fewer insects are active or visible. On the other hand, when the UV index drops, insects become more active and more likely to be found near the surface or in open areas. This increased activity can lead to more food for fish, making fishing easier and more productive. Some anglers also use special UV reflective or fluorescent materials on their fishing flies. These materials mimic the appearance of insects under ultraviolet light, making them more attractive to fish that can see these wavelengths. Even if adult trout or bass do not see UV light directly, they can notice the brighter or more visible patterns created by UV reflective materials. So, in simple terms, the ultraviolet index does influence insect activity by affecting their survival, movement, and where they gather during the day. These changes then impact fish feeding habits, which is why monitoring UV levels can help you predict better fishing times. Knowing when insects are most active based on UV exposure can give you an edge when planning your outdoor adventure or fishing trip. It's a good idea to check the UV index forecast before heading out, especially if you want to understand insect activity and improve your chances of a successful catch.